Bitch, get into these motherfucking glasses, bitch. These glasses right here, the Fura. I got my face super warm, like.
Hello, my name is Tamara and welcome back to my channel. In today's DIY, we're going to be making the Cardi Dolce Gabbana Fura glasses that she wore. And what you're going to need is some fur trim, leopard like she had, leopard print or cheetah print. And this is 1 yard. And the next thing you're gonna need is some transparent glasses. I tried to get some glasses that closely matches to the glasses that she had, and with the little gold little trim right here. I think she had gold right here, or it could have been silver, but gold, silver, it don't really matter. So these right here should do, transparent glasses. You're gonna need some infamous E6000 glue. And this is optional. I have a needle and thread. This part right here is optional. And I know people that don't like to sew, don't like to do needle and thread, but the needle and thread part is optional. The reason why is because what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna cut the trim a little bit, not in half, but I'm gonna cut a little bit of the edge off because hers is not this wide. So I'm gonna have to cut a little bit off of the edge a little bit. And hers is Dolce Gabbana, so hers is a D and a G, but we're not gonna make a D and a G. We're gonna do 2 D's. We're gonna do it how we wanna do it. You can make a G if you want to, but I'm gonna do 2 D's instead. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut this up into a D shape. And how I'm gonna make that D shape is I'm gonna sew it together, because I feel like that'll make it easier for me. Now you don't have to sew it together. You can just glue it on to the glasses, but I'm gonna sew the 2 D shapes together, and then once they all sewed up together, I'm just gonna glue it on to the glasses. That's all I'm gonna do. And I would recommend some fabric scissors. Yeah, this will do the job to cut this because it's a little bit thick. Not no regular scissors. Yeah, I would suggest the fabric scissors, yeah, because this will cut right on in there. So yeah, so let's get started. I'm done talking. I'm tired of talking. Let's just get started on this. Yeah. Hey y'all, I'm back again. Sorry, that was a little bit too bright, but I'm going to show it to y'all again what all you guys need. The fur trim, 1 yard, the E6000 glue, your transparent glasses with the gold rim, your needle and thread, that's optional, and your fabric scissors. Okay. So I decided to not sew the D's on together. I decided to just go on ahead and glue it on. So I basically just cut up the pieces and kind of like measured it into the rim part of the glasses, and then just glued them on from there. Yeah, like so. And that big pile of mess comes from me cutting up the trim. And I would suggest that you get a bigger frame of glasses so that you can better see out of. You can still see out of these, It's just very small space. And make sure you glue on the back of the trim part, not necessarily the fur part, just the part where it's holding the trim, well, holding the fur, I mean. I don't know what that little part is called in the back. Yeah, so I'm basically just gluing the fur trim all around. And it will be excess fur on the glasses. You can just clean that up when you're all completed. And it's already starting to come through. It's already starting to look good. For more DIYs like... Okay, y'all, we are all finished. Here's the final look. It's cute. I can't wait to try them on. Yeah, so let's go try these on and I'll be right back. For more celebrity DIYs, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.